What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see behind me, the car is in jack stands. Now the reason why it's in jack stands right now is because the fan is not working, and as you can see, it's super sunny out. It's turned into summer and I need the fan to work. Now, to be honest, guys, I had this problem for like a year, but it was during the cold weather, so I didn't really need it. But normally I drove on the freeway, so the car stayed cold. But now that it's getting hot, I had to change it. As you can see here, guys, here I have the CCRM. I got this one at LMR, and I decided to buy a brand new one because I don't want any more problems. So basically what this is a couple of relays inside of here, and one of those relays is the relay that controls the fan and the different speeds of the fan. Now I know it's not the coolant sensor because I changed the coolant sensor and I still had that problem. And I know it's not the fan motor in here because every time I turn on the AC, the fan kicks in. So basically what it came down to was the relay, and here it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and change that today. Alright guys, so here's the box it came in, and of course it came with instructions right here. Alright guys, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery. And like always, you want to take off the negative first and then the positive. Alright guys, so the CCRM is located right here underneath this panel, and in order to get to it, I have to get this, push this down, and it's right in there. As you can see, guys, it's right there, and there's two bolts holding on, so I'm gonna go ahead and get those off. Now to get those two bolts off, I'm gonna go ahead and use this right here. Got an extension connected to the 5.5 millimeters. As you guys can see, I got it off right here. I'll show you how it looks disconnected. There you go, guys. As you can see right there, it's all disconnected. That's the piece that disconnects right there. Alright guys, so here's the original CCRM right here. Here's the new one right here. They look exactly the same. Alright guys, so check it out. This little bolt right here goes all the way through, coming out through here, this little thing, and this whole bolt connects to the middle right here. You're gonna need to tighten it while you put it in. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put in the new one, and let's hope that fixes the problem. Before I put it all back together, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the car and see if it works. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and reconnect the battery, and when you're reconnecting the battery again, you're going to want to do the positive first and then the negative. So before I turn on the car, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the ignition. And then I'm going to leave the ignition on for 10 minutes. Now I'm not sure you need to do this, but I'm doing this so it can relearn the program. But like I said, I don't know if you need to do this, but I'd rather just do it just in case. Alright guys, so I hope you guys are praying for me. I'm going to turn it on. So far guys, I'm just waiting for it to heat up to see if the fan turns on. It is not turning on so far. Alright guys, so I changed the CCRM module, and that didn't solve my problem for my situation. So I feel like I did everything I could think of. I changed the coolant sensor, I even changed the thermostat, and obviously I just changed the CCRM module, and the fan motor works. So everything's working. So basically I'm just gonna go ahead and straight wire the fan. So yeah guys, so my last option was to straight wire the fan and have a switch to turn on the fan, so I won't have to keep turning on the AC. So I think that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that in the next video, and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so for my next video, I'm gonna go ahead and straight wire the fan. So see you guys then. Deuces.